After watching this video, you'll be a pro at using chopsticks. This is how you want to be holding it at the end. You can see that I'm holding two sticks. For the stick on the top, hold it like you're holding a pan. For the bottom stick, pinch it between your thumb and your hand and place it on your ring finger. Combine these two and you'll be able to hold chopstick perfectly. Don't move the bottom stick and move the upper stick using your middle finger, index finger, and your thumb. With only 2 minutes of practicing, you'll be a pro at using chopsticks. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe and like.